How to turn off TalkBack mode. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to additional settings. As you tap on additional settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. And here you'll be able to see these general vision, hearing and physical option over here. So tap on vision and here you can see the option of TalkBack. So tap on it and right now it's off, but when you enable it, it will look something like this as it gives the access. So you'll not be able to move, you just have to make double press and so on. Now if you have to toggle off or turn off or disable the TalkBack mode, all you have to do is just press and hold the volume up and volume down button for 3 seconds to turn off. So as you do that simultaneously, you will be able to see the TalkBack option has been toggled off. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.